welcome to my crib. So I wanted to give you guys a room tour of our awesome bungalow or villa. It's really great. So when you walk in, you're immediately into like the foyer area, and you have this big table right here. We have lived in here for a week, so it's not an empty room tour, but hey, you'll know how you live in it. So we have all of our like snacks and stuff here and everything we just kind of put up there. And housekeeping will leave notes and stuff for you on the table and whatnot. So this is just our kind of catch-all area. And then when you come to the right of you, when you come into the villa, is this huge living room area. Look at how big this space is. I absolutely love it. It's so comfy. And they have these really nice decorative like Polynesian, Tahitian art work. It's really pretty. And then you come over here, you have your bar area. So you have where you can put tea. You have an ice bucket. We had some champagne. They delivered champagne to us. And then you have your refrigerator here. We have our champagne, some bread for the for the fish, and some random other things. And then on this side you have your coffee cup, some sugar and tea, a wine opener. A wine opener is always great. Some more glasses, and then down here is just an empty one. And then you have your espresso machine right here. Espresso, not espresso. Espresso machine right here that I've been using literally every morning. And then on this side you have another seating area. My husband has been doing all of his like electronic stuff, like putting all the GoPro stuff, changing the images out on this computer and stuff. So this is a nice little area right here, and they have all the outlets all around. Just be mindful that there's only 2 universal outlets in this villa, so come with like a converter. They'll give you a converter at the front desk, but it's a $100 deposit. They'll give it back to you if you turn it in, so we need to make sure we do that. And then right down here in the middle of the living room, you have your coffee table that also opens up to the ocean. Look at this. How nice. It opens up both ways, and you're able to feed the fish down there or look at them at night. There's a light underneath it, so it'll shine up, but it doesn't open all the way for obvious reasons, right? But it's a nice cute little area. It's a couch, one chair right there, and then like a little ottoman with a huge TV right in front of me. And then right this way, we're gonna go to the bedroom, where it is just gorgeous and it's so big. So you do have a partition to separate the living room and the bedroom. You just open that up and you come in and you have this gorgeous room. There's so much like storage space right here. It's really awesome. We have this huge bed right here and this amazing view. Look at this view. You obviously cannot jump from the room into the ocean, but the view is to die for. I absolutely love this room. The bed is super comfortable. It has these gorgeous pillows, decorative pillows. It's just really nice. I absolutely love it. And then behind the bed and behind your, I feel like this is like a dresser area. This is kind of where I've been putting my electronics and my books. There's much more storage space, like I said, and a little chair right here. We haven't really used this space. It's just the top, and that's where you'll get more notes and stuff from housekeeping or the front desk. And then when you come right behind the bed, you have this other partition, another door, and you're into the closet. Like I said, we've lived here for a week, so we have all of our stuff all around. It's a pretty spacious closet. As you can see, we have everything everywhere. Bunch of drawers. Okay. Awesome stuff. And then you have your in-room safe that we have been using to keep all of our valuables in. And then off of the closet, you have your toilet room, which is pretty spacious. It's a toilet room, and it has a phone in there. So yeah. And then after that, when you come off of the bedroom once more, you enter into the bathroom. It's a huge bathroom, great lighting, and this tub is amazing. And it has another awesome view. Look at this. So awesome. I absolutely love this tub. We used it once and it was great and it was fun. just to sit in it and look out at Mount Altamano and the open ocean. It's beautiful. And then in the bathroom, there's also the shower. Pretty big shower. It's like, has like a rainfall head for the shower, and there's a seat in there, and there's soap and everything else in there. But the room tour is not done yet. I have one more thing to show you, the most amazing part of the room. So come on. We have this most amazing balcony, deck, whatever you want to call it. The double doors open all the way up, and you have a perfect just area to lay out. There's a table and chairs there. We had breakfast delivered one morning, and then you have your loungers over here. We got some snorkel gear from the pool, and then this really sweet couple gave us this huge flamingo floaty that I used and fell off of a couple of times. So we're gonna pay it forward and gift it to someone else. And then you come down here to these stairs, and you have this deck that we've been jumping off of every morning when we wake up, and it's just so beautiful here. You have this perfect view of Mount Altamano right here, and the sun is about to set. It is absolutely gorgeous, and we just look out onto the lagoon, and then right in front of me is the resort and the beach, and it is gorgeous. So we have the best of all three worlds, looking out at the beach, looking out at the lagoon, and it is really perfect. So this is a Sapphire Overwater Villa. So if you book this resort, try to book a Sapphire Overwater Villa. It's perfect for what we get. It's perfect. All right, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed this room tour of the Intercontinental Thalasso Resort and Spa. If you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Be blessed. Stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, friends.